can't sit on the grass in chapel quad. You can't sit on the grass in old quad at any point, and Rockers quad doesn't have any grass. There's a quad over there, but nobody knows what it's called.
No, we don't talk about this.
That's why we don't talk to them. That's our boy.